Another gorgeous home tour for you today. We're touring a brand new, rebuilt, modern home here in the Los Feliz area. We're actually in the Franklin Hills neighborhood. Take a look, take this in. We're looking at a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,870 square feet of gorgeousness. Okay, stick around for the full tour because this modern home even has its own ADU. So we're starting off in the kitchen. You have everything you need here. We have the dual fuel range, beautiful cabinets, nice finish. You can see these super tall, gorgeous 10-foot ceilings. It did not look like this before, guys. Go ahead, show them the picture of what this home looked like before. I mean, can you even believe that this is on the same lot? They completely rebuilt and redid this home, and you could tell it shows in every single inch. We have bronze fixtures, beautiful silver travertine countertops. I mean, it's all natural stone. It's amazing. The quality in the finishes is shown throughout. This would be considered your guest bathroom. You could tell they took the same natural stone countertops throughout, made the vanity floating. Stunning attention to detail here. Soon we're going to travel into what is going to be your living room. Even if you're not interested in buying this home, you might want to capture this for the mood board. We'll go through these sliding doors and right into the outside. So we're walking towards what could be your garage, your gym, your office. I mean, this space is yours to create. And mind you, we haven't even seen the ADU yet, and we are only on the ground level floor of this property. There's so much more you need to see. You practically have a courtyard between the main house and the ADU, and we're gonna walk into the ADU right now. While we're here, if you love gorgeous home tours and knowing what's going on in the South Bay LA market, go ahead and subscribe to the channel to see more gorgeous homes just like this one, or to learn how exactly you can get in the position to buy one yourself. Okay, so we're about to walk into the ADU. We have the same super lavish white oak flooring that we have in the main house here in the ADU. We see even more continuity with the brushed bronze fixtures and the silver travertine countertops. This compact, super efficient design is perfect for a mother-in-law suite or for some extra cash to help pay down that mortgage. Who doesn't want that? Look at the arched windows. That was a beautiful touch. The sun is just drenching this whole area with lots of light, and it's so serene. You can see the Scandinavian influence in the design. I love what they've done. We have a mini split off to the right to keep your space hot or cold just the way you want it, and relative privacy with the shrubs in the back of the house. Love this living room. This compact space comes with expansive storage opportunities. This is just one of them. So you can have your washer dryer and add some custom shelves to take care of all your storage needs. The bathroom is finished with stone tile on the floor and on the walls. We have the countertops with the brushed bronze, and the vanity. The floating vanity gives it that light and airy touch. Let's go ahead and see the fixtures and the shower. So we don't have a door we need to fuss with, so that's great. But your whole entire floor is stone and waterproof, even outside the shower. Always great to have a window in the bathroom, but still have privacy at the same time. Now we're walking into your main bedroom. Take special note of that light fixture. So luxe, so serene. It's going to look like you're staring up at a solar eclipse if you're ever just lying in bed. Breathtaking. We have custom crafted storage for you here in the main bedroom closet. Take special note of these built-ins because we're gonna see them again throughout the tour. There's so much more to see. We have only touched the ground floor of this property. such a great opportunity for those of you considering upgrading your homes to get some inspiration. And if you love this home and you're looking for this or something like it, go ahead and reach out to me for a private tour. Nothing compares to walking the property for yourself and take this in firsthand. I'm Aamber Hickman, your South Bay LA Realtor, and we're gonna have to come back to this one for a part 2 so you can see the main bedroom, the crown jewel. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.